To cut Medeco keys, a special Medeco cutter and a 1mm decoder are needed. Click Search and ID. Input ID number 629831 to enter the key data. Use the calibration block to fix the original key on the side B of S1 automobile key jaw well. Note the calibration block should be level with the second line on the right side and the original key should be fixed vertically on the left side by shoulder align. Then tighten the key jaw. You can refer to the correct clamping position shown in the figure. After fixing the key well, click Input to input the bitting number 463253 and click Tooth Angle to input the angle number CLLLLL, then click OK. Make sure a correct Medeco cutter used and shaving clean before cutting, then click Cut to start cutting. Cutting is done, clean the shaving and test the new key by cylinder.